So today we are going to talk about the best flowering bulbs to plant in July. July is a great time to get these beauties into the ground so that they can bloom and add vibrant colors to your garden. So let's dive right in. Flowering bulbs are a fantastic addition to any garden. They offer stunning blooms and are relatively easy to grow. Here are some of the top flowering bulbs you should consider planting in July. First up we have the rain lily, also known as Zephyranthus. These small, delicate flowers bloom after rain showers, hence the name. Plant the bulbs in well-drained soil with plenty of sunlight and they will reward you with beautiful blooms. Tuberous is known for its intoxicating fragrance. These bulbs thrive in well-drained soil and full sun. Plant them in July and you will enjoy their sweet-smelling flowers later in the season. Crinum lilies are perfect for adding a tropical touch to your garden. These bulbs prefer rich, well-drained soil and full sun to partial shade. They produce large, trumpet-shaped flowers that are simply stunning. Flame lilies, also known as gloriosa lily, is a climber with spectacular red and yellow flowers. Plant these bulbs in well-drained soil and provide a support structure for the vines to climb. They thrive in full sun to partial shade. Canna lilies are known for their bold, colorful flowers and large leaves. These bulbs do well in rich, well-drained soil and full sun. Plant them in July and they will add a tropical flair to your garden. Lycoris or spider lilies are unique with their spider-like white flowers. These bulbs prefer moist, well-drained soil and full sun to partial shade. They are perfect for adding an exotic touch to your garden. Dahlias are beloved for their stunning, intricate blooms. Plant these bulbs in rich, well-drained soil with full sun. Dahlias come in variety of colors and shape, making them a versatile choice for any garden. Calla lilies are elegant flowers that are easy to grow. These bulbs prefer well-drained soil and full sun to partial shade. Plant them in July to enjoy their classic trumpet-shaped blooms. Amaryllis bulbs produce large, showy flowers. They thrive in well-drained soil and full sun. Plant them in July and you will be rewarded with beautiful blooms in a range of colors. And there you have it. These are some of the best flowering bulbs to plant in July. Whether you are looking for fragrance, colors or exotic beauties, there is something for every gardener. Happy planting and stay tuned for more gardening tips and tricks from us. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your fellow gardeners. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening.